You may find in public places a very recent rise in the number of public bleed control kits. Somebody can pass away from blood loss in as little as 4 to 5 minutes. Heaven forbid this may be following an assault, a stabbing, a road traffic collision, a nasty trip or a fall. If you require access to a public kit, we phone 999, give the emergency operator either the cabinet number, postcode, road name or local landmark. They will give you the combination to the cabinet, we can open it. Therein, we're going to find some tourniquets, some gauzes, some hemostatic wound dressings, things that we can use for wound packing, bandages, all equipped to prevent as much blood loss